Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So, in last video we saw about the arithmetic operators in C++. In today's video we are going to have a look about the shorthand operators and modulus. The shorthand operators are like not something different, but they are just our normal operators which can be used to shorten the length of our code, or we can say a little bit time that we are giving to write a program. And modulus, so modulus is just a operator which gives you the remainder when you divide two values. So this is what the modulus gives us. For example, when we are dividing two values, so here I'll take this divisor that we call the 10. This is another value here which we call dividend, and the remainder will be the one which we'll get here. So for example, if we use this one, that is 10 2s are 20, so we write 2 here and 20 here. So the 0 that we get here is called the remainder, and this 2 is the quotient. So while we do this modulus, when we use this sign, we get this 0. But when we divide the value, we get this 2. That means the quotient. So the modulus is like, you'll not use it like each and every time, but in some programs while developing something like game or something, you might get use of this thing. So it's just better to understand them right now. And the shorthand operators that we talked are nothing but just the arithmetic operators or the other operators using the equals to sign. So for example, if I want to do addition of two numbers, that is A and B, so what I will do is that I will do A equals to A plus B. If I want to store this addition in A, this is what I'm going to write down. But to shorten this thing, what we can write is that A plus equals to B, and so it will does the same function that this line is going to do, but it's a bit shortened statement, I would say. So this is what the arithmetic shortened operators looks like, and it can be used with the minus as well, with divide as well, with modulus and multiplication too. So this is what a basic thing that we are going to look, and now we'll try to use these things in our program. So let's quickly jump on to our program. So yep, here we go. So what I'm gonna take two values that will be the integer values for now. That is in number 1, I'm gonna write down the value 20 to this, and number 2, which would be 10. Now as we saw, let's first go with a very basic way, a traditional way, I would say. So I'll get one more variable, that is the answer, and we'll do the modulus first with a traditional way, that is answer equals to number 1 modulus number 2. And now I'm gonna see out this whole statement. So let's simply just write down answer here, and let's see what we are getting. So here we are getting 0, as we all know, but let's just change the value to get some different answers so it could be understandable. So here we're taking 3 and we got the answer 2. So yep, we are going the right direction. Now we can use all those stuff. We are going to use this as a shorthand operator. So let me just get rid of this thing and let's keep it here just to have a look. and we'll do here a because we are going to store the values. Oh, not a, it will be number 1 because we are going to store all the values in this way. So number 1, we just saw modulus, so let's do so we get the idea very quickly, and that will be number 2 here. So when we did the first time using this statement, we got the answer 2, and we should get the same answer right now as well. So let's run the program, and yep, we are getting the same answer. That means this sheet works. So we can do the same thing with plus, and we'll get the answer that we know. So that would be 23, and let's run it. So it is 23, and it goes same with each and every arithmetic operator, I would say. And it got 17, and we can try it with the multiplication as well, and 60. So yep, this is all that we are gonna look in this one. Next video we'll probably look at the increment and decrement operators that are also like kind of simple things but very useful while you are working with loops. So please do subscribe the channel to get some more informative videos like this, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care.